for you. We are packing to go to Jamaica. We leave tomorrow, we go to Chicago, and then we leave very early the next morning out of Chicago to go to Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are super excited, and I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of comments like, you're traveling during a pandemic, and yes, we are. Hi. If you don't know, I am a travel agent, and one of my specialties is Mexico and the Caribbean. I have quite a few clients traveling to Jamaica over the next couple months. I thought that it was important that I know the airport protocols, the entry requirements, the cleaning that's going on at the resorts, and the best way to experience that is to go and see it. So I think everyone needs to assess their own risk and decide you know, if it's right for them to go or not. We are taking a lot of precautions. You'll see like my PPE that we're traveling with, but I just want to preface it with that, and let's get started packing. I'm almost done. I have everything kind of laid out. I'll walk you through it. Then I'm going to get my suitcase together. I still need to get my toiletries together, but let's go. Okay, so here are the clothes that I'm bringing. These are my airplane outfits. Because of the coronavirus, I normally would just travel like in a dress, but I do want to have more of my body covered. So I'm wearing like yoga pants and then a tank top, and then I have this little khaki jacket, and then coming back I have a tank top. I have a raincoat here. It's like a really thin kind of like windbreaker, and yoga pants. And then here are my dresses. I do have quite a few. This is like a working vacation. It's called a FAM, which is a familiarizational trip. So I will be visiting 4 different resorts while I'm there. And so I do have to like look professional. This is not like a vacation where I get to wear like a bathing suit and shorts. So I have quite a few dresses. I have cocktail parties and dinners that I'll be attending every night. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dresses. And then back here I have bathing suits. I have 3 bathing suits, and then I have 3 cover-ups to go with them. Here are my pajamas, and then I'm bringing like this is like a jumper romper kind of thing, and then I have 1 pair of shorts and 1 t-shirt because I won't have an opportunity to be casual a lot of the time. I have 2 small handbags. I have like a brown one and a little black clutch. I don't really need a handbag, but I need something to hold my camera in because I'll be vlogging. And then as we move over here, I have my Kindle, I have my ear, like, what are they called? Headphones, like the plugged in kind. And then I have my earbuds. I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. I have these like super cute like little clips for my hair if I'm gonna put it up and just want a little accessory. I have a bracelet. I love this bracelet, but it doesn't travel very well. And then I have my jewelry roll, and this is all my jewelry. I know it looks like a lot. I wear like statement earrings, and I like to change them every day. And then I have a hat, like a little baseball hat for the beach, and then I have this visor. It just came today. I ordered it from Amazon. I don't know, it's super cute. The brim is kind of wide. I feel like a duck. It's a little bit tight, so we'll see how that works out. Then I have my suitcase down here. Yes, I have it on a towel. We have like white, I don't know if you can even see it. It's white carpeting, and if the suitcase is dirty, it'll get the carpet dirty. So that's why that's on that. I have my computer, and the computer cord is in there. Here is I think this is going to be my carry-on bag. I need to bring like a big bag that holds stuff. So I think that this is going to be the one. And so I'll kind of go through here and show you. These are face shields for the plane. We will still be wearing masks, but the face shield is just kind of an extra layer of protection. And then I have a clipboard, and the clipboard just has my itinerary. It has paperwork that I need for the resorts and such. And then this is kind of going to be like where my purse stuff is going to go. We went to the bank, and these are all like singles and like 5s and 10s for tips and stuff. And then for the plane, I have a bunch of bags, not a bunch, I have 3 bags of this beef jerky because We don't know what is going to be open as far as like food at the airport. We are doing Club Mobe both on the arrival and departure, which does have food, but just in case coming home, if we don't have food or if we get to the airport in the morning and nothing is open, we want to make sure we have some protein kind of food. And then in this bag is all of our like travel documents. I have our passports in here, our like airline confirmations. We had to do, which I think I'm gonna film a whole video about. To enter, we had to fill out like paperwork, and we had to bring the paperwork with us, so that's in there. And then I have these just like little Werther's candies just for like something sweet. And then I have my fan, my like portable USB fan that I love. And then in here I have not all of our masks, but I do have quite a few masks. We will be required to wear a mask at the airport, on the airplane, and at the resort unless we are socially distanced or we are eating. But if you're walking through the resort, you do need a mask. So I think I have 6 masks. My girlfriend is making me, I think I have 3 more coming. I probably have to go tonight and pick them up. But I have all my clean masks in here, and then here are my business cards. And then in here, like before the pandemic, I like stocked up on Lysol wipes like back in January, so I have a ton of them. But they come in like the big thing from Costco. I broke them apart and I put them in here so that I'll have like handy Clorox wipes which kill the coronavirus. And then I have my tennis shoes. These I'm actually just gonna like be wearing on the plane because I would normally wear sandals, but I really want to have like a closed-toed shoe, and that's my shoe bag that'll go in. And then I have these Ugg sandals. They're very comfortable. They kind of like have, I don't know, they like form to your foot. If you see, kind of see that. So they're super comfortable to walk in. And then I have my Miller flip-flops from Tory Burch, the brown and the black. They're like nice enough to wear to dinner, and they're super comfortable for me. And then this is kind of like all of our like filming equipment, if you will. So I have my Manfredo Pixie. I have this that's like pliable, so I can wrap it around something. I sometimes will wrap it around my wrist if I need my hands free if I'm filming. Here is my camera, my other one, my G7X. And then here are extra SD cards. This is like a little light, a little selfie light. It can clip onto your phone to take pictures. And then, did I show you this? The GoPro, the mount, and then these like little things are like little cord wraps. And then this is our like electronics thing. So we have extra of those like little things that you plug the USB in. This is a USB adapter. This is a sound machine. And then all of our cords fit in here, so we know that if it's full, we have all the cords, and if there's a spot open when we check out, it means we don't have all the cords. My packing cubes, which I'll pack in a second, and then we just got these. In fact, if you watch my Instagram, I posted about it. This little like snorkeling thing, so we'll see how that works out. So this is where I'm at. This is everything. I'm gonna start packing it away and putting it in the suitcase. Okay, so I put the large packing cube inside of this bag, and then I am going to strap it in. And this is not going to be my carry-on bag, but I still need to bring it because I need a large like work bag to be able to have like my clipboard and all of my papers. So this is just how it's going to go. And then as my carry-on, I'm bringing this. This is the Vera Bradley, I think it's the Weekender. I did a video about it. I'll go ahead and link it up above in the description box below. But it's just gonna work out better. I just have too much stuff to carry. My computer is just so heavy, and this is just the way it's gonna be. This is why I usually check a bag, because I don't like to schlep stuff, but we're flying with American and we don't have status with American to get free checked bags, and I'm just being cheap and I don't want to check my bag. So this is what we're doing. Okay, that's so much better. I still have this that I have to fit in there, but it's not a big deal. This is like my bras, my underwear, and my bathing suits. I still have a couple of bras that are hang drying that I need to add to this in the morning, but that'll easily fit in there. Okay, and then there's this bag that now weighs like 1,000 pounds, but it is what it is. I went ahead and just put my Snuba mask in here because I don't want it to crack before I even get to use it. So, hot mess in here, but these are face shields and they're gonna like get put together on the plane. And then I have all of my like liquid toiletries here. This was rough. This was rough to try to get it all in here, and I did. So I'm not gonna take it apart and show you, but I did it. Especially like nowadays, like I can really only bring like one hand sanitizer and my husband can only bring one because we're not checking a bag. So fine. And then I still have all this stuff I've got to shove in here. I have to like figure out like my purse situation. I do like this because it I can have like my Kindle in here and our passports and stuff, and then I can put like my earbuds in the front pocket. So things that I need easy access to, I can get. Oh look, there's even like a pocket within the pocket. I'll put my cell phone in there, that's awesome. Okay, so that, and then I might just get another pouch to kind of put these like last like random kind of like purse items in, I guess. That's probably what I'll do. Okay, so we did it. I am sweating, literally. It is done. It is way more stuff than I thought I was bringing, but I'm really not bringing that much stuff, I don't think. Anyway, we are off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please look for these Jamaica videos. Not only am I going to explain the new entry requirements and getting through customs and all that, I'm going to talk about Club Mobe. We are staying at Couples Swept Away in Negril. We're also going to be visiting Couples Negril, and then we're going to move over to Ocho Rios. We're going to stay at Couples Tower Isle and visit Couples San Soche. So be sure to subscribe to follow along. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe. If you have not already, I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!